New developments here at 5. Hundreds of people think the way Kettering Health handled a cyber attack delayed or denied their medical care. And today, we found out that they are suing the health network. News Center 7's John Bedell, I should say, live in South Montgomery County. You have followed this story, John, for almost a year. And today, you talked to the woman suing the network. And you wanted to get Kettering Health's side of the story.
James, we've previously reported on the lawsuits against Kettering Health tied to people's personal information being stolen during this data breach. But today we found out that there are hundreds more legal fights in connection with how people's medical care was impacted by this cyber attack. Today I followed up with a woman who gets her chemo treatment here at Kettering's main campus. As we've followed the fallout of the Kettering Health cyber attack for the last 10 months, we've been keeping up with Doris Roberts' story.
I have stage 4 pancreatic cancer.
As she keeps up her cancer fight,
I think I'm gradually heading towards remission, even though I am probably not a candidate to have the tumors removed.
Doris has now joined a legal battle.
When I heard about the lawsuit that they were filing, I said, well, you know, what could it hurt?
As we've previously reported, Doris had her first chemo appointment, then had that treatment interrupted, delayed by 2 weeks by the data breach at Kettering. Doris was one of several cancer patients I've talked to who experienced the same thing. But Thursday, we got new perspective and learned she is far from alone.
Our law firm has filed more than 200 lawsuits against Kettering Health Network for people that have been delayed or denied medical treatment.
I asked Michael Wright what he wants for his clients with these lawsuits.
We want Kettering to put systems in place so this doesn't happen again. And we want to make sure that those that have been injured be taken care of. There should be compensation for those people.
Doris told me her goals after picking up this legal fight along her cancer journey.
The big thing right now is to make sure that, you know, my insurance is protected. You know, I don't want somebody filing claims under my insurance and trying to get medical coverage.
I reached out to Kettering Health today. They told me they don't comment on pending litigation. The lawyers for the victims here, they told me in all they have more than 500 people who are all suing because their personal information was stolen. Out of that group of 500 includes, I should say, these more than 200 people who have now sued directly related to their medical care being impacted. But the lawyers told me that is just what they've been able to file so far. They expect hundreds more. We're live in Kettering this afternoon. I'm John Bedell, News Center